Restoring the Eden frequency. In Eden, humanity lived in harmony with God, spirit to spirit, thought to thought. There was no separation. The fall didn't just lose paradise, it detuned our frequency. Fear, noise, and doubt created static. But Christ restored the signal. Now, through the Spirit, you can hear again. You can walk in divine rhythm, act in divine timing, and create with divine light. The Eden frequency is rising again, and it's inside you.